Yes, please.
Yeah. Good morning, friends. I welcome you today for our new fresh session for yoga and meditation by Rotarian Sapna Priyadarshi. Friends, in any adversity, there is an opportunity. In this adversity, we have this opportunity to learn yoga and meditation from Sapna. We are all enjoying first 20-minute exercise, then 20 minutes pranayam, then 20 minutes meditation. So, let's enjoy, let's pamper our body once again. So, please, Sapna, go ahead.
Thank you. Namaste to everyone once again, and thank you so much. Let us begin with our journey.
Sapna, your camera is not on.
Okay, all right. Okay. Because I wish you reminded before we went live.
Sorry to interrupt. A little bit face is cut. Yeah. Okay.
You want a little more adjustment? 1 second.
Yes. Just a little bit.
Just
yes.
Focus.
Yeah.
Zoom me. I'm not able to see myself now. 1 minute. Okay. अरे बाप रे. Okay. All right. So let us begin our today's journey. Stand straight. Inhale deeply. We'll do 5 times inhaling and exhaling. Put your hands on your waist. अपने हाथों को अपने कमर पर रख लीजिए और धीरे से लंबी सांस लीजिए. Start inhaling. Exhale. Now inhale deeply. Hold the breath. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Yes. Okay. Now we'll do Trikona Asana. We'll start with Trikona Asana. So spread your legs. Spread both the legs of yours, both the feet. There should be a distance of about 1.5 feet in between. All right. Ready? People sitting at the chair, they can do as I told you earlier also like this, sitting at the chair itself. People sitting on their bed who are not able to, who do not have energy and all, slowly they should be doing just to activate a little bit. They should not be doing any heavy exercises, but breathing exercises is what they should be doing, people who have just recovered from COVID. All right, let's start with Trikona Asana. Spread your hands from right to left. We'll be touching our feet and then come up and left to right. Okay? But remember, when we go down, we'll be exhaling. So we inhale when we come up all the time for any asana. All right, start. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And touch the other. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep on doing this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Trikona Asana is taking care of your lungs and chest like this, Okay. Now let's do the chest opening. Your hands in front, spread your hands in front of you like this and spread like this. Okay? When you do like this, inhale, and when you come front, exhale. All right, do it. 2, 3, 4, great. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can see when you go back, it completely opens, you know, like this, and then come front. Relax, relax. Okay. Now, if possible, only for the people who can do, let us do a cardiac jogging, all right? In which we will do our either like this or like this, okay? So wherein our feet will go like this, okay? And hands like this. Just PT karte the. Okay, like this we'll be doing. Do it comfortably. Okay, this will put pressure again on this entire area. All right, the entire area of your stomach and the whole metabolism of your whole body will be boosted up. All right, start guys. Okay, start. धीरे धीरे, people sitting at the chair, no problem. वो बस ऐसे ऐसे करते रहें, expanding, or they can do the previous exercise. ठीक है? All right, let's do. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, great, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Fantastic. Fantastic. Can you just try the front run if possible? But don't do if you are not comfortable again. Okay? Front in the sense like this. आगे पीछे पैरों को the way we walk. थोड़ा सा करिए, नहीं हो रहा है छोड़ दीजिए. Okay, let's try it out once. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. That's it. People who cannot do this, they can do normal jogging, as we did yesterday. Okay, or we have been doing almost every day. So that is the alternate that you can do instead anything that is very difficult for you. Okay, now let's quickly do these shoulder movements. Rotate them and keep inhaling and exhaling. वो बंद नहीं होगा. From front to back. Yes, start. Great. Good. Now from back to front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. हर बारी सांस लीजिए और छोड़िए. Okay? You must have felt a little bit of sweating already on your face. That's good. Good sign of your body getting activated. All right. Okay. Now can we quickly do twisting of waist? Put your hands in front. Join the fingers, the thumbs, the tips of the thumbs. Join them. Gaze them. आपका ध्यान आपके thumbs पे होना चाहिए. इस तरह से, and we'll be doing like this. सांस लेंगे, छोड़ेंगे, लेंगे, छोड़ेंगे. Like inhale. When you come back, exhale. Then again inhale. When you go back, exhale. All right, let's start. Great. Great. Left. Right. Left. Right. और जब हम ऐसे करेंगे, I told you the other side of our foot will get the heel will get uplifted. Sorry, it will be lifted from the ground. Okay, like this. तभी pose अच्छे से बनेगी. While doing this, when we do any exercise or asana and keep breathing in and out, so this breath of ours is going to that particular area that we are focusing on. इसलिए breathing in and breathing out is always important. Okay, जब हम gym में exercise करते हैं, we don't really focus. We just on doing the, cycling or any kind of a treadmill, whatever it is. But here we have to focus on our breath. All right? Now please sit down. Sit down, all of you. Yes. Okay. Now what we will do is, we'll be just inhaling deeply. हम एक लंबी सांस लेंगे. अपने हाथों की मुट्ठियां बना लीजिए इस तरह से. Please make the fist of your hands like this, palms. Put them on your navel. Navel पे रखिए. Navel के just थोड़ा सा नीचे का जो हिस्सा है वहां पर, little below your navel. थोड़ा सा pressure पड़ना चाहिए. Press a little bit. And inhale deeply. And when we go, bend ourselves, we'll be exhaling. ऊपर आएंगे, inhaling. So let's do this quickly. Inhale and exhale and touch the ground or wherever you can. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. जब exhale कर रहे हैं, just hold that position for a few seconds now. It will put pressure with your feet. It will put pressure on your tummy. Right? Okay, relax. 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 All right. Now, while sitting itself, for all the people sitting on their bed also, please do like this. You can spread your legs. People sitting on the bed can spread their legs. Okay? Or they can sit the way they want, cross-legged position. Jaisa aapko lage, please वैसे बैठिए. And the rest of the people sitting on the chair, they can sit in the same position. और बाकी सब मेरे साथ बैठ जाइए cross-legged position में. And after that, what you try to do is put your hands little back. जोड़ लीजिए अपने left hand को right hand से इस तरह से पकड़िए. Hold the wrist of your left hand with the palm of your right hand, like this, back side. Okay, back side. Let your back and neck be straight. And try to take left while inhaling. Inhale करते हुए आपको थोड़ा सा ऐसे left जाना है. बहुत ज़्यादा strain नहीं करना. Do not strain, okay? Don't put stress and strain on your waist. हल्के से करना है. और फिर बीच में आते हुए फिर इधर inhale and then exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let's do it quickly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Great. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Great. Great. So this we can do up to 10 rounds, but when you start with this particular pose, please do it only 3-4 rounds initially to start with. Otherwise, you will experience a pain here. And slowly you can increase. You can do up to 10 rounds, 15 rounds later. All right? चलिए, अब प्राणायाम शुरू करते हैं. Let us start with the pranayama, the breathing exercises. Let's begin with that. So as usual, we'll start with Nadi Shuddhi pranayama. Then we'll go to Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom, Nadi Shuddhi more or less are same. Nadi Shuddhi may we have, levels, different levels. So I'm not going into all those because the idea is to increase our breathing system inside. Okay? The focus is entirely different. So let's do Nadi Shuddhi pranayama quickly. Just touch the base of your thumb. This is for new people, the people who have been already doing, they know the moment I say let us do, you start doing it. Okay? All right. So अपने उंगलियों से, पहली दो उंगलियों से अपना अंगूठे के नीचे का हिस्सा जोड़ लीजिए, and your finger, the ring finger and your thumb should be free. Let's start doing it. Inhale from the right side. Then block your right side nostril and exhale from the left side. Then inhale from the left side and exhale from the right side. This is Anulom Vilom only. Inhale from the left, exhale from the right. Inhale from the right, exhale from the left. Inhale and then we hold. You know, जो hold करते हैं नाड़ी शुद्धि में, that is the levels, different levels for 2 minutes, then 4, then 2 seconds, and 4 seconds, and 8 seconds. So that is the level. All right. So we are not going into it. Just do as Anulom Vilom Nadi Shuddhi same. All right. Continuous. राइट साइड से सांस लीजिए, नाक को बंद करिए, लेफ्ट से छोड़िए. अब लेफ्ट से लीजिए लंबी गहरी सांस और राइट से छोड़िए. अब राइट से लीजिए लंबी गहरी सांस और लेफ्ट से छोड़िए. Inhale from the left nostril, exhale from the right. Inhale from the right, exhale from the left. Inhale from the left, exhale from the right. Inhale from the right, exhale from the left. Inhale from the left, exhale from the right. Inhale from the right, exhale from the left. Inhale from the left, exhale from the right. Inhale from the right, exhale from the left. Inhale from the left, exhale from the right. Inhale from the left, exhale from the right. Left. Inhale from the left, exhale from the right. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. राइट से सांस खींचिए, लेफ्ट से छोड़िए. लेफ्ट से खींचिए, राइट से छोड़िए. राइट से खींचिए, लेफ्ट से छोड़िए. लेफ्ट से खींचिए, राइट से छोड़िए. People who are not able to, go along with my right left, doesn't matter. आप अपने हिसाब से करते रहिए. Don't try to break your, the continual system which you are doing. Left, right, left, right. Please keep on doing. आगे पीछे होता है, that's perfectly fine. But right, left, left, right, left, right. Okay? Continue. Let's do 10 more rounds quickly. Come on. Keep on doing. विवेक दूसरों को भी दिखाते रहो बीच बीच में. Yes. Okay. So keep on doing this. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Okay. Now relax. Relax. Okay. While doing this, you must have experienced the blockage in any one of your nostrils. And what we have to do it for this? I already told you, please clean it. जोर से आपको सांसें छोड़नी है like this. Let's quickly do it once with me. Okay? Like left, right, continuously करते रहना है. So let us begin with. बस सांसें छोड़ी हैं हमने. सांसें छोड़ी हैं, लगातार सांसें छोड़ी हैं. And you must have felt the dryness in your neck, throat. Okay? So I told you for that you can drink a little bit of water, 1 drop, a sip, like this. That's very important because lubrication has to be there in your throat. Otherwise, the breathing and breathing in and breathing out will not be happening properly. Okay, so let us do our Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati, यहाँ सांस लेनी है, लंबी खींच करके यहाँ लाना है और यहीं से निकालना है पेट से. We have to just inhale deeply, get as much as air you can get in, take completely to the stomach, fill your lungs, and then breathe out. Okay, heavily breathe out. But don't jerk, as I told you earlier also. Slowly karenge, the level 1. Inhale deeply. Blow your tummy. Stop. When you inhale, don't exhale immediately because जो आप oxygen अंदर लेते हैं उसको फैलने तो दीजिए शरीर में. When you inhale, the oxygen which goes inside, let it spread entirely. Let it go to completely your lungs and then exhale. Inhale and exhale. Level 1 कर रहे हैं हम. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Hold the breath and then exhale. When you inhale deeply and hold the breath, you feel the tightness at your center of your back. Okay, little bit of maybe tightness you will feel. That's okay. All right. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale. Okay. Now let us do the level 2. Inhale करेंगे और exhale करेंगे. Medium level. Okay, we'll be just doing at the medium pace, inhaling and exhaling of Kapalabhati. 1, 2, 3. Come on, guys. 4. करिए. 5. Inhale, exhale. Wait. Inhale, exhale. 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 Great. Relax, relax, relax. This was a medium pace. So perfectly fine. You will not feel the heaviness in your neck or head yet. Now let us do the faster version. Inhaling and exhaling. So take your tummy in completely when you exhale. आपका पेट पूरा अंदर चला जाएगा जब आप exhale करेंगे, जब आप सांसें छोड़ेंगे, और जब आप सांस लेंगे लंबी सांस लेके जाइए अंदर और छोड़िए जल्दी जल्दी. ओके, और पेट से ही पेट को अंदर करना है, बाहर निकालना है, अंदर करना है, बाहर निकालना है, with that inhaling and exhaling. So let us start quickly. Come on, guys. Great. Now you must be feeling a heaviness in your neck, shoulders, head. So what we have to do is we have to do neck exercises. As I told you, after every round of faster Kapalabhati, we should be doing the neck exercises. So start doing it. Turn your head to left, slowly inhale and exhale. होता रहना चाहिए. Inhaling and exhaling. Okay. Let's do to the left. Turn. Right. Exhale. Inhale and come to left. exhale. Then again inhale and come to right. Exhale. When you come to right or left and hold, then you should exhale. जब आप राइट आते हैं और लेफ्ट जाते हैं, लंबी सांसें लेते रहिए और फिर वहां एक्सहेल करिए. व्हेन यू गो टू लेफ्ट और राइट, वहां रुकते हैं जब आप. ऑलराइट. Great. Fantastic. Now please bend your head down. Inhale. Exhale when you down and inhale when you up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now let's rotate clockwise quickly. Inhaling and exhaling चलता रहेगा. We should be inhaling and exhaling. सांसें लेते रहेंगे और छोड़ते रहेंगे. लंबी लंबी. 1 2 3. Now anti-clockwise. 1 2 3. Now clockwise again. 1 2 and 3. Now let us do Kapalbhati again. जल्दी से करना है फटाफट. All right, let's start. Very good. Your tummy area has to go in and out continuously. Great. Great, guys. Relax. 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 I mentioned earlier also Kapalbhati ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे, especially people who have acidity problem, constipation problem, spine problem. They will not do more number of Kapalbhati. See 10, 20, 15, 20, 30, 40 तक भी किया जा सकता है, but beyond that please avoid. The rest of the people who are doing continuously, I advised even yesterday also, बराबर लगातार आपको 100, 200, 300, 400 नहीं करना है. Please don't do that. Break में करिए. You know? All right. You can lose your tummy also with it. Okay, let's do Bhastrika. Bhastrika में सिर्फ यहाँ सांस आनी और जानी है. Chest में यहाँ fill करना है और निकालना है. ठीक है? थोड़ा slow round करते हैं. Let us do a slow round first for a practice, and then we'll be doing fast. Come on, start. महसूस कीजिए that you're inhaling completely and you're filling this area. Okay, your chest and all. You're just filling this particular area. So quick, come on, guys. Inhale, but only till chest. Exhale. Inhale. 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 Exhale. अब faster version करेंगे quickly जैसे भस्त्रिका होती है. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. In a faster version, chest में हवा भरनी है और छोड़नी है लगातार. Let's start quickly. ऐसे करना है. So let us do it. Come on, come on, do everyone. Can I see everyone quickly? Yes. देख सकते हैं पेट आपका नहीं हिल रहा है. Very less. Okay, your entire focus is on your chest area. You're inhaling and exhaling fast, and at that time you feel a lot of dryness in your neck. Please do take water immediately, a sip of water immediately. Okay? Keep doing that. Otherwise also when you do pranayama, थोड़ा सा बीच में ड्रॉप लेना जरूरी है to lubricate your neck. थोड़ा सा, remember, just थोड़ा सा. All right. Let's do one more round of Bhastrika. Quick. Come on. Start. Great. Relax, relax, relax. Rotate your neck. Please rotate your neck. Clockwise, slowly. Keep inhaling and exhaling at a normal pace. Yes. अपनी लाइफ फोर्स एनर्जी को आप कह रहे हैं भैया धीरे धीरे. Okay? Now anti-clockwise. Slowly inhaling. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Come on. Yes. Now clockwise. Great. Fantastic. Fantastic. All right. Now, as I told you yesterday also, let's quickly just exhale. Only exhale from our both the nostrils. Jaldi, 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 jaldi करेंगे. All right. Only exhaling. Don't bother about your inhaling. हमारा शरीर अपने आप inhale कर लेता है. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. अभी आपको सिर्फ exhale करना है. Okay. To activate your nostrils, the near area. All right. Quickly. Come on. सिर्फ आप फोकस यहाँ कर रहे हैं, आप अंदर सांस लेके नहीं जा रहे हैं. You're just inhaling till your automatically till your nose. You're simply exhaling through your both the nostrils. Do that fast. Can I see? Do that fast. Yes, do it. Okay. Exhale. Only exhale. सिर्फ सांसें छोड़नी है जल्दी जल्दी. नाक से अंदर नहीं जा रही है सांस. नाक से. Now can you just do the same process slowly? Yes. Same process slowly. जोर से exhale कीजिए दोनों नाक से एक साथ. Yes, like this. Great. Great. Very good. All right, relax. 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 Let your life energy, let your life force energy relax. Let your breathing system relax. 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 Now can you spread your legs as you have been sitting in the cross-legged position for a longer hours? Now please spread your legs. People who are sitting in Padmasana, great. Spread your legs. Rest your palms aside and start doing leg exercises. Inward, bend, and normal pace पे सांसें चलती रहेंगी. Please inhale at a normal pace and exhale. That you should not stop. When I say should not stop, automatically we inhale and exhale, but focus on your breathing. I mean to say that. Inward, अंदर की तरफ मोड़िए और फिर बाहर. अंदर और बाहर. Come on. Inward your feet and outward. And try to touch the ground. है ना? जो कर सकते हैं. Try to touch the ground both the sides. Yes, great. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. Now bring your feet little bit closer. थोड़ा सा distance छोड़ते हुए, and we will turn to left and right. Come on, start. Left and right. Left and right. Left and right. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Left and right. Left and right. Left and right. Now rotate them clockwise. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now anti-clockwise. 1. Come on. 2. Very good. 3, 4, and 5. Now clockwise again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now fold or bend forward like this and then backward. Forward, so calves में खिंचावट महसूस होगी आपके. You will be feeling a tightness in your calves when you take front, and back again in your calves and thighs both. 1, 2. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. वो चलता रहेगा. Great. Relax, 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 relax. बीच में, as I keep saying, keep pampering your body. So you can just put your hands on your knees और थोड़ा सा प्यार कर दीजिए. Clockwise direction में हाथों को घुमा दीजिए और मन ही मन में कहते रहिए, I love you, I love my entire body, I love my physical body, I love my astral body, I love my cosmic body. चमत्कार देखेंगे आप. Alright, चलिए let us do भ्रमरी. हम सबका favorite. Let us do भ्रमरी. Okay, let's do भ्रमरी. We can hear the sound also, as I told you. What that sound आएगा? zzz जैसा. ठीक है? That sound will come. The vibration has to be felt within. All right, and I told you the version what I am teaching you, that you will, imagine internal parts of your body when you are doing this भ्रमरी. रूट चक्रा से शुरू करेंगे और इमेजिन करेंगे, आपका फोकस अंदर रहेगा उस वाइब्रेशन साउंड पे और आप इमेजिन करते रहेंगे that you are cleansing the internal part of your body with that sound. और crown chakra तक आएंगे. You'll be coming here and then again you'll be going from crown chakra till the root chakra. Lung से होते हुए, heart से होते हुए, lung से होते हुए, intestine से होते हुए, all the chakras, and you're reaching down and coming up, going down and coming up. Let us start quickly. Block your ears, put your fingers in front, put them on eyelids, okay, and let us start. You have reached the crown chakra. Now again vibrate, make a sound and go down and focus your attention on vibration. You are still in head area. Now you are going towards your neck, your chest, lungs. All your glands. Reach the root chakra. Do it again from bottom to up. Inhale. Make a vibration sound. You reached up. Now, from top to bottom, keep on doing that. And as I told you, people who have a little problem in putting their hands like this continuously, they can take the prof's support, putting the, stool both the sides, or you can just put your hands down. किसी भी तरीके से आप कर सकते हैं. Focus आपका होना चाहिए on this sound that you are creating. Hummery sound, the honeybee sound that you are creating internally. All right. Focus on that once again. Let's do. इस तरह का sound आएगा, but close your lips, join your lips. In from bottom to top. More at home also, because here we are not able to spend too much of a time within 1 hour, right? Now, as I taught you yesterday, can we make a sound from the nearby that Swadhisthana chakra that is below your navel? There is a portion, there is an area. Make sound from there. जैसे कल मैंने आपको बताया था, vibrating sound होगा इस तरह का. Sound आएगा. So you'll be creating that sound exactly below your navel from that area. You focus also there. Close your eyes. You'll be focusing there only. और आप ये imagine करेंगे वो noise जो आ रही है वो नीचे से ऊपर होते हुए आ रही है from the entire stomach area, then neck and all, and finally mouth से बाहर जा रही है. Alright, it's completely going out through my mouth, and with that only imagine all the negative energy which is there, that is also going out. This is again, you are doing this as we did yesterday. This we did during the meditation, but this is an exercise which you should do now, which will help you a lot. All right, start. Start. Make a sound, close your eyes. Sound cleans our body. Sound heals our body. That is what the power or energy of mantras is. हम लंग, शंग, ओम जो भी कहते हैं, they are sounds. It's the energy again. So this energy will heal your internal portion. Quickly do it again. Let's do it. Okay. All negative energy whichever is there, it's completely going out through my mouth. Imagine कर सकते हैं काला सा धुआं बाहर जा रहा है, ग्रे सा धुआं बाहर जा रहा है. It's completely going out of my life. Okay. Again. This vibrating sound should give you the feeling also of vibration when you make it. आपको लगता है जब ये वाइब्रेशन आप करते हैं प्रॉपर तरीके से वो आपकी वॉइस में वाइब्रेशन आता है, वो आपके इंटरनल पार्ट्स में वाइब्रेशन आता है, that will help you a lot. Okay, so practice this also in the evening.
When you do this, you feel everything is emptying out from you.
Yes, yes.
So the longer you do it is better or short करना?
नहीं, शॉर्ट नहीं करना है. आप लॉन्गर जितना आप कर पाते हैं, जितना लंबा आप साउंड निकाल पाते हैं, दैट इज वेरी गुड. शॉर्टर नहीं करना है. दिस इज, यू कैन डू इट. जैसे मैंने करके दिखाया. You imagine from here, तो आपको उस पे ध्यान भी तो दे रहे हैं ना. You are also imagining that area, that अब ये साउंड यहाँ से यहाँ आया, अब यहाँ आया, अब चेस्ट तक आया, अब नेक पे जा रहा है, अब अंदर जा रहा है, और फिर यहाँ से मुंह से बाहर निकल रहा है. So that takes time, right? So that is how you should be doing it.
Yeah.
All right.
You feel your stomach is emptying out. That's
Yes. Yes. All right. I think it's time. We can quickly do only 5 minutes meditation today. Okay, let's quickly do 5 to 10 minutes meditation. All of you, please. Yes, 1 second. Give me a minute. Let me just connect this. Just a second. Okay. Okay. Sit down again in the cross-legged position with your hands on your knees or thighs, facing upward. You can make Jnana Mudra or Samana Mudra, anything, as I told you earlier also. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Just close your eyes. Come, be to yourself. Breathe in heavily, deeply. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now please focus your attention on your energy around and say, let this divine power clean the atmosphere around us. Let this atmosphere be purified by this divine power all around. Let this divine energy, the universal energy, enter into my physical body and the life force. Let this divine energy protect me, guide me in all my action throughout my life. Now salutation to my mother.
Salutation to my mother,
And to father.
to father
And guru.
and guru.
लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. सांस छोड़िए. फिर एक लंबी सांस लीजिए. सांस छोड़िए. फिर एक लंबी सांस लीजिए. सांस छोड़िए. Now focus your attention on your third eye center. अपना ध्यान अपनी भौहों के बीच के हिस्से पर लगाइए. केवल उस एरिया को इमेजिन करिए. Focus your attention on your third eye center. Very important center. Focus your attention. Just be to yourself. Focus your attention. You must have started feeling a little tickling in your third center point. Now, go inside. Go inside through your third eye center. Go inside your head. Reach the pituitary gland. एक छोटा सा एक gland है, बहुत छोटा सा, ठीक आपके थर्ड आई सेंटर के पीछे, हेड के बीच में. इमेजिन करिए उसको, उससे पैम्पर कीजिए. मन ही मन में बोलिए that you are my best friend. Inhale heavily so that it touches your pituitary gland. Pituitary gland टच हो रहा है इस इनहेलिंग से. जो आप सांस खींच रहे हैं लंबी सी, वो आपके पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड को छू रही है. लंबी सांस अंदर और बाहर, अंदर और बाहर, सांस अंदर और बाहर. इमेजिन करिए कि आपका छोटा सा ग्लैंड है जो एक्टिवेट हो रहा है. It's sinking in. Getting synchronized with all the cells of your body. Imagine the all important hormones are getting released from this pituitary gland. Now focus pituitary gland पर लगाए रखें. Imagine all the important hormones वहां से निकल रहे हैं और शरीर में फैल रहे हैं. जैसे पतंगा होता है, आग का पतंगा कैसे जल्दी जल्दी निकलता है, वैसे ही इमेजिन कीजिए getting out of your pituitary gland. All the important hormones are quickly getting out of your pituitary gland and spreading in the entire head, mixing with all the cells. Now slowly take your attention to your crown chakra, which is at the center of your head at the top. सर के एकदम ऊपर में जो हम मांग निकालते हैं उसके मध्य का हिस्सा, वहां ध्यान लगाइए अपना. Focus your attention at your crown chakra at the top of your head. Imagine if your mind wanders, take a long breath in and come back to that point. Now there's a pineal gland below this crown chakra. जहाँ crown chakra है उससे थोड़ा नीचे आइए, थोड़ा नीचे आइए अंदर, सर के अंदर pineal gland है which is above your pituitary gland. छोटा सा gland है, imagine करिए pineal gland. Meditate every day on this, insomnia will go away. Focus your attention on pineal gland, your best buddy. Imagine करिए आप उसको अपने हाथों से छू रहे हैं. आप अपने pineal gland को अपने हाथों से छू रहे हैं, उसको सहला रहे हैं. वाह, what a great feeling. You're touching your pineal gland with your hands. Imagine आप अपने सर के अंदर हैं और उसे प्यार कर रहे हैं pineal gland को. Great. Take long breath in. Let it touch your pineal gland. Let it release melatonin, which is very, very important hormone. देखिए आपने उसे प्यार किया, अपने pineal gland को प्यार किया, सहलाया, तो आपका वहां से melatonin रिलीज हुआ. शरीर में फैला. Great. Fantastic. The entire energy is got concentrated in your head. Inhale. And please bring this energy down through your neck. धीरे से इमेजिन करिए उस एनर्जी को आप अपने गर्दन से होते हुए नीचे ला रहे हैं. ये एनर्जी है, इकट्ठी हो गई है. चेस्ट से होते हुए, स्टमक एरिया से होते हुए, you are taking it down. You are taking it down, and now it is entering into a small center point, genetic center, रूटधारा चक्र. इमेजिन करिए वहां एक छोटा सा फ्लावर है या वैसे है, इस तरह से इमेजिन करिए उस सेंटर को, और वहां ये एनर्जी सारी जा रही है और स्टोर हो रही है. That means the entire energy is getting concentrated at your root chakra. That's your energy storing chakra, the genetic center. Take it there. धीरे 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 ये हमारे रूट चक्र में एंटर कर गए. Great. Now please breathe out heavily and contract your anal muscles at the same time, quickly. Do it 5 times quickly. Wow, relax, relax, relax. Now say to yourself, I in my lifetime will not harm anybody's body or mind, or my body or mind.
I in my lifetime will not harm anybody's
My
body or
lifetime will not harm anybody's body or mind, or my body or mind.
my body or heart.
Try to help others who are suffering.
I will help others who are
My
suffering.
lifetime will not harm anybody's body or mind, or my body or mind. I will try to help others who are suffering. Let the peace prevail on us, around us,
Around
throughout
us,
the world.
around the
Peace,
world. Peace,
peace,
peace.
peace. Take your
Peace.
hands up, join the palms, rub them, bring them, open your palms and put on your eyelids. अपने हथेलियों को अपने आंखों के ऊपर रखिए और धीरे धीरे अपने मुंह को छूते हुए, शरीर को छूते हुए नीचे आइए. Now slowly, very slowly, open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Very nice session.
Open your eyes.
Thank you.
Open your eyes.
Very nice session.
Yeah, all these tapes, friends, all these tapes are available on our Facebook page. In the you can also do the same thing, seeing what Sapna has done just now. On we get all today is the 7th session. All the 7 videos are there on our Facebook. So in that.
Sapna, thank you so much.
So any questions for Sapna?
Yes. Yes, सपना जी, in the last आपका जो म्यूजिक जो है बांसुरी की आवाज
हाँ जी.
थोड़ी ज्यादा है और आपका जो साउंड है थोड़ा कमती है, तो we are not able to concentrate on your voice.
Okay, okay. Good for the feedback. Good for the feedback.
Can
So
you
use it.
remove the whole bansuri vadan or the music, and then we can able to concentrate on your voice only.
All right, great. I'll do that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Any other questions, please? So I mean,
I only have a small suggestion.
yeah, please. Yeah, Pramod ji, please.
During Bhramri, our eyes and ears both are closed. So during that time, if you give any instructions, at least I'm not able to hear. So if you
Okay.
give all the instructions beforehand and then we do Bhramri continuously, that would be probably much better.
Okay. Instructions, Pramod ji, very good for your suggestion, whatever you are saying. लेकिन instructions मैं पहले दे देती हूँ और उसके बाद फिर बीच में बोलती रहती हूँ because see what happens is people are watching the video. तो वो सिर्फ मुझे खाली देखते रहेंगे तो it will not be interesting. That is the only reason मैं फिर भी बोलती रहती हूँ. So मैं जो बीच में बोलती हूँ उस पे आपको ध्यान नहीं देना है. Already शुरू में जैसे बता दिया है कि आपको अपना सांस जो साउंड बना रहे हैं that you are taking from the bottom और धीरे से ऊपर लेके जाते हैं और फिर नीचे लेके आते हैं. वही प्रक्रिया हम थ्रू आउट करते रहते हैं. The same thing I keep telling again and again.
Okay, then it's fine because sometimes I open my eyes, see something is happening.
And if you feel that बाहर का noise नहीं आ रहा है, तो you can remove this also. Because the logic I already gave you कि you should be able to hear your noise, your sound. You should be able to hear and feel that vibration. That is the logic.
Ramri तो सालों से कान बंद करके कर रहे हैं ना.
Exactly. So just keep on doing that. Since
I have a question.
Yeah.
I have a question on Facebook. What should we type to get to your to see you?
See, we are available. The videos are already available. People normally prefer, whenever they are empty stomach and all, you can do this in the evenings also. So once we finish, these videos are available on our Seacoast page throughout.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, friends. Now I request our very dynamic and our medical director Kunal Kapadia to give the vote of thanks, please. Kunal.
Thanks a lot, President Kishore. Firstly, I want to thank Vivek, who's just been awesome over the past 7 days. Kishore, you need to give him a promotion and an increment. I'd also like to thank the audience. I think all of you guys are just amazing. Just keeping quiet when the sessions are on. It's fantastic to see this kind of discipline online. I'd like to thank President Kishore for taking the initiative for this on behalf of Seacoast and for all the other Rotary clubs. And last but not the least, I think Sapna, you've been just terrific. Every morning, I look forward to a 7:30 session and I feel energized the entire day. So thank you so much. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Kunal, you have to do it in the evening also. So you can
No,
sustain.
my capacity is 24 hours, Kishore. So
Great.
thank you.
That is the reason I keep calling him superhero.
So thanks everyone. We'll see you tomorrow at 7:30.
Yes.
Bye.
Thank you.
Have a good, nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow again at 7:30. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.